Today, we're creating a smooth brush reveal transition to add a creative and cinematic effect between two clips. Let's get started. First, import your two video clips and place them side by side on the timeline. Now, head over to the Transitions panel and search for Brush and Ink. Once you find it, drag and drop the transition between your clips. If I start playing the video, this is how the transition looks. To adjust the duration, simply drag the edges of the transition on the timeline. You can also fine-tune it from the right side editing panel, where you'll find more customization options. Filmora also gives you different transition modes like Prefix, Postfix, and Overlap. You can test these out to see which works best for your edit. Make sure to check the Include Trimmed Frames option if needed. And that's it. You've successfully added a brush reveal transition in Filmora. This effect is perfect for cinematic edits, travel videos, and creative storytelling. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Filmora editing tips